Hi and welcome to the video. My name is Jody and you have clicked on Pretty and Polished Over 40. So welcome. If you are new, if you are returning, then welcome as well. So this week we have a lot to talk about and I am excited as always because anytime it has to do with fashion, trends, anything like that, then Jody gets excited. So yes, I did just use my name in third person. Let's just ignore that. All right, today's topic is how to dress young over 50 and beyond without looking like you're trying too hard. Now, as a woman of a certain age, I am 1 year away from being 60. So I've had people ask me, how old are you? And I have no shame in saying I am almost 60 years old. And I think that aging is a privilege and it is a blessing. So that's how I feel about aging. However, I don't want to look like I am old. I want to look good, refreshed, and vibrant, and how I feel on the inside, I want that to reflect on the outside. And most days, I feel like I'm still 21. But now, let's just say, my body is not gonna let me dress like I did when I was 21. Just let me say that. If you can, then more power to you, and that is awesome. But most of us in our 60s, 50s, 40s, and beyond have a little bit different bodies. Okay, I am off on a rabbit trail already. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to first go over, and yes, I have my notes because I don't want to ramble on like I just did. All right. First, I'm going to go over 5 points of what not to do, and we're going to get that out of the way. Now, let me just say this as a disclaimer. If you feel good in any of these things that I am talking about and you feel good about yourself and stuff, you do it. You go and you wear it. Don't even listen to Jody. Just ignore her advice and go on with your day. But if you are feeling like you could use a little bit of inspiration or maybe a little help because all of a sudden you woke up one day and you look in your closet and you're like, I feel dowdy. I don't know what to wear. Well, this video is for you. All right, but no judgment here if you want to ignore me. My kids do it all the time. All right. Number 1, don't overdress. Now, what do I mean by that? And I'm going to show you some samples or some examples, samples and examples over to either side of me. Overdressing. I remember when I was little, my grandma, she had to have full face of makeup, her hair completely done, sprayed with Aquanet, big jewelry, everything matching, pantyhose. You guys remember pantyhose? I hated them. Anyway, high heels, a bag, I mean, the best perfumes. And she always looked beautiful, yes, but she looked like an older woman. And even when she was younger, she just looked like she was older. And I couldn't really put my finger on why, but it's because she was just so put together and so like she was trying too hard maybe. Sorry, Grams. God rest her soul. Anyway, so don't overdress because nowadays, the style is a little bit more undone, a little bit more relaxed. You will not, most likely, you will not go and see a 30, 40, 35, 38-year-old walking around totally, completely just decked out at all times. Maybe for a special occasion, yes, but not all times. So, more relaxed, more kickback, less done. Your hair doesn't have to be always perfect. I'm working on that. Less is best. A pair of jeans and a nice sweater. Maybe mix it up a little bit. I'm going to give you some examples over here. And the next one is number 2. Don't keep the same hairstyle that you wore in your younger ages. That will date you faster than anything. I remember wearing my hair in feathers, you know, and then ratting it up on the top. Yes, I was a child of the 80s. And for a long time, I just felt so good in that. I just kept repeating it and repeating it. And then one day I was looking through a fashion hair magazine and I noticed that nobody had that hairstyle in there. And I was like, maybe it's time to change. So check yourself with your hairstyle. If you've had the same hairstyle that you felt good in high school and you still have it now, it might be time to change. And it doesn't have to be like a radical change. It can be something subtle. If you like bangs, go for bangs. Just, you know, check it out. Look around, check the room and see what is in now and go with it. It might take some getting used to, let me tell you. When I stopped having the bangs and putting it up all poofy and stuff, I had a hard time because I was so used to seeing that and my face became that when I started relaxing and letting my hair down a little bit and not as done, I felt like I was almost naked. I mean, I felt like I looked ugly at times, but then after time, I kept taking pictures and other people kept saying, oh my gosh, you look so good. You look 10 years younger. And I'm like, oh, why didn't I do this sooner? That's crazy, right? All right, number 3, don't be afraid to experiment with styles that never worked for you in the past. They may work now. So what I mean by that is, say 10 years ago, you tried wearing wide leg jeans and you put them on and you looked just like they were overwhelming. They didn't work for your shape. And so from that point on, you never ever tried wide leg jeans again. Okay, chances are that you tried on the wrong pair, or maybe you didn't need as wide of a leg. Maybe you need a little bit kind of a middle ground. And maybe your mood was not really feeling it that day. So don't be afraid to go ahead and try new things, even if you tried them before and they did not work. That is, I mean, doing this job, I have had to branch out into outfits I never ever would have tried before. And because they were gifted and I felt like, oh, you know, they spent all this money, they sent this to me, I better wear it. And then all of a sudden, lo and behold, I was liking it. I'm like, wow, I didn't look so bad in that. So try things that you tried before and didn't like. Try them again and different versions of that and see how you feel about it. All right, number 4, don't be stuck on a size or a number. Okay, that's hard, right? All of my life, I have been a size 0 or a size 2 until I hit 50. And when I hit 50 and I went through some health struggles, I started gaining weight. And I was like, I need to get back down. I need to get back down to my regular size. I've got to get down to a size 2. I've got to do it. In my mind, that was locked in. And in my mind, that's the only way I could wear an outfit. If I did not get into that size, I wouldn't buy clothes. So don't do that. Dress for your body type. Dress for your body type now, not what it was 5-10 years ago. And play around. It doesn't matter if a size says size 12 on it. Who cares? Cut the label out if it bugs you that much. If it looks good on you and it fits and it flatters you, then it doesn't matter. Size is just a number and it means nothing. So just dress for your body type and your fit. All right. I'm just going to add this in. Nothing, and I'm going to post a picture of here and you'll see what I mean. Nothing looks worse than someone trying to shove into a size too small. Frankly, it looks tacky and you look heavier than you would have if you just would have sized up. There, I said it. All right, onward march. Take a shot of tea every time Jody says onward march. All right, let's see. Number 5, find a style that works for your lifestyle, and then if you can't, okay, this is like a two-parter. Find something that works for your lifestyle. Say you look in a shop or on Instagram or Pinterest and you see this really cute outfit and you're like, ooh, I'm gonna do that. That's really cute. Okay. Well, you put it all on and everything, and then you walk out the door and it's freezing and this outfit is made for Southern California. Or maybe you have grandchildren that you are chasing around, or children. I have friends that are in their 50s that are just now having children. They have children in elementary and junior high, and I got married young and I had all my kids young, and now I have 6 grandchildren. So I'm beyond that, but I have to think, when the kids are around, what am I gonna wear? When I have the baby, am I gonna wear a white or cream outfit, or, those things. So find something that fits your lifestyle, and don't try to find outfits that maybe are maybe cute, but something you'll never wear because it's just not functional for your everyday life. On to the second point in number 5, find your muse. And what I mean by that is, go ahead, go on Pinterest, go on Instagram, and stop following people that are only your age. Now, I'm probably really messing myself up here since I have a channel called Pretty and Polished Over 40. But anyway, find different people to look at. And when you find someone that you feel like you could, like, oh, I could do that. I think I might try that. Try those things and see how you feel in them, and then stick with that muse. That is your muse. Make a Pinterest board of it, and of the same kind of vibe, the same person, same body type. Don't pick somebody that has totally opposite body type of yours and then call them your muse. Find somebody that is similar in stature to yourself, and get inspiration from them. And until you get your own niche going, then go ahead and copy them. There's no shame in imitation. It's the highest form of compliment. All right, now, this is the do's, okay? I'm gonna give you some do's, because do's and don'ts kind of went together. Do practice good, consistent skincare and self-care. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but wash your makeup off at night. It's time to start using an active ingredient. Go to your dermatologist, sit down, have a heart-to-heart with them. You can even do it online now. There are several different agencies and different stuff where they can do an evaluation online, and then they send it to you in the mail every month. That's what I do. And I do Skin and Me, and I do Trench and Noan. I had to work up to that, and I have a very specific skincare routine that's very simple, something I can consistently do, and it doesn't break the bank. All right, I will drop in the comments below in the description some of my favorites and some options for you if you are lost or need some ideas, but it's a very individual thing for skincare. All right, onward to movement. Move your body every day. Even if you can just get up and walk around in a circle, or walk up and down outside, or stretch, put some oldies but goodies on and dance around. Move your body every day. I promise it'll make you feel younger, and it gets the blood flowing, and it makes you look more youthful. All right, and let's see, we're coming to a close here. This is my final and best tip to anyone who wants to find a new style, or find their own style over 40, over 50, or anytime actually, is take someone that dresses different from you, someone at least 10 years younger than you, even 20 years younger, go shopping. And the rule is you can say no to nothing. Now, you don't have to buy anything. I mean, if you love something, then yeah, go buy it. Just go shopping, do a try on, and have that person choose your clothes for you, and then take a picture of you in it. Every outfit that you have to try on, take a picture in it. Go back home and look through those pictures and see what makes you feel good. It's like, wow, I looked good in that. Or, oh, wow, I didn't look good in that. Oh, I could do that, but maybe with this color or that color, whatever. But the rule is you can't say no to anything that they tell you to try on. Now, I promise this is the hardest thing you will probably do, but it is a lot of fun, and you may find some inspiration, hidden inspiration that you never knew was there, and you might be able to wear something that makes you look youthful over 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, you guys, that is it for me today. This is Pretty and Polished. Oh, wait, I forgot to do a call to action. I'm so bad at that. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. As you can tell, I'm a newbie on I'm a newbie on YouTube. I'm not a newbie on Instagram. Yeah. Anyway, subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you like the content, and everything that I've talked about, everything I've showed as an example will be linked below in the description. And don't forget to follow me on LTK and Instagram. It is all the same name, Pretty and Polished Over 40. And you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you next time on Pretty and Polished Over 40.